Hey everyone, welcome to Virtual Immersion. My name is Mark McCoy, and today we're going to discuss on how to play in the dark with your Oculus Quest. Now, there are actually two simple methods to go about playing in the complete darkness. The first method is if you're a current Vive owner, you can use your base stations to have it work in the dark with your Quest. And that's the simpler method, the easiest method for Vive owners who have a Quest. But the problem is I would not recommend this for newcomers, for people who don't have the Vive. It's too expensive and it's not really worth it unless you're gonna buy a Vive yourself. So you just have to think about that. The second method is to buy an infrared illuminator. Now, they come in different sizes. They also output different distances and how powerful you want it to be. These are specifically made for CCTVs, but you can look it up on Amazon or Walmart or your local shops, and you can find one for cheap for $19-20, and it can cover like around 80 feet depending on your play space. So if you have 200 feet, you should get the 201. And this is the perfect perfect way to play in the dark, because this is, it literally shines your entire place if you angle it correctly. There's actually one more method, but I wouldn't recommend it. That's why I only put two methods. Putting your Quest into 3DOF, 3 degrees of freedom compared to 6 degrees of freedom. And you can activate it in developer mode, but I do not recommend it because it's very glitchy and you have to stay really still. You can't do any fast movements with your headset, or else it can cause a glitch if it loses tracking. So you can see in this video, I'm comparing the 3DOF to 6DOF. You can see you can move back and forth, you can look around. The 6DOF, the 3DOF, you can look left and right, but you cannot move front and back. The menu itself, the home menu itself, is going to be static, so you won't get that full immersion on VR. So this is the last resort if you can't get the other two to work, but I do not recommend it. So anyways, that's about it, and I hope you liked the video, and please leave comment, questions. You can subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more videos later on, but enjoy.